Hello everyone. So today here we have a JE question on differential equations. Let us see if y equals to y of x be the solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus 2y equals to f of x, where f of x is defined as 1 if x belongs to the closed interval 0 to 1 and it is 0 otherwise, and if y of 0 equals to 0, then what is the value of y of 3 by 2. Okay. So first we have to find out this f of x. Okay. So basically we have to find y equals to y of x. That is the solution of your given differential equation. Now the given differential equation is dy by dx plus 2y equals to f of x. Now clearly it is in the form of linear differential equation, that is dy by dx plus py equals to q, where p is the function constant 2 and q is the function in x. Okay. Therefore, before finding the solution, let us find the integrating factor, which is e to the power p dx. And in the place of p, we have here 2. That's why the integration would be here 2x. Yes. So integrating factor. Now the solution is given by y into integrating factor equals to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. So what do I get here? Y into e to the power 2x equals to, in the place of q we have f of x. Yes, f of x, and it is e to the power 2x dx plus c. So this is the solution somewhat I'm getting here. From this we have to find out y of 3 by 2. So first let us use, so this is basically from where to where it would be basically from 0 to x. Okay. So x is taking some limits. First let us use, okay, or you can write this as, first what you can write here is, if you shift e to the power 2x on the other hand, it can be written as e to the power minus 2x integration f of x e to the power 2x dx plus c into e to the power minus 2x. Is that correct? Now this, let this be a general solution. Now they have given y of 0 equals to 0. That is, if x equals to 0, y is 0. That is nothing but f of x is 0. Okay. So if I substitute in the general solution, what I'll get here, 0 equals to e to the power 0. This is from again f of 0. F of 0 is nothing but y of 0 itself. E to the power 0 dx plus c into e to the power 0. So all these, since f of 0 is 0, because y of 0 is 0, so from this, what is the value of c I will get? The value of c I will get as 0. Okay. So from general solution, if you substitute, what I'll get here, y equals to e to the power minus 2x f of x e to the power 2x dx, c became 0. Is that correct? So it is from 0 to x. Fine. Now y of 0 equals to 0 we have used. Now I have to find out y of 3 by 2. Okay. So that is x is 3 by 2. This would become, now since this is a independent, here it is out of the integration, so this is 3 by 2. The limits would be from 3 by 2, and still we have not found out this integration, so this would remain same. Okay, fine. So here 2 and 2 cancels. What I'll get here, y equals to e to the power minus 3. But we don't know what is the function f of x here, so there is no question of putting the limits. Instead, I will split the function 0 to 3 by 2. Okay. We can split the limits as what? I can split the limits as 0 to 1. Okay. I can split this as 0 to 1 plus 1 to 3 by 2. Correct? Because 3 by 2 is how much? Approximately 1.5. So we can take from 0 to 1 and 1 to 3 by 2. So this is your function. Okay. Now see here. What is function defined? They say f of x is 1 if x is from 0 to 1 and it is 0 otherwise. Is that correct? So this is minus 3 is, since this limit is from 0 to 1 and when it belongs to 0 to 1, f of x is 1. So this would simply become e to the 1 into e to the power dx. And they are saying f of x is 0 otherwise. Otherwise means out of 0 to 1 it is 0. So this function would simply become 0. So what is why I'm getting? This is what the general solution I'm getting now. Okay. Not general solution, the solution. Okay. So this is e to the power 2x dx plus c. Now this way very easily we can integrate. Yes, because this is at y equals to 3 by 2. What do I get here? This will be e to the power 2x divided by 2. This was 0 and it is from 0 to 1. Now if you put the limits, what do I get here? If I put the limits, this is sorry, this is e square. Yes, and here you'll get e square minus 1. Yes, divided by 2 times e cube. So this is your final answer. So which option is correct? Option A is correct. Thank you.